yeah, it's gonna be a long drive here with the wifey, celebrating our anniversary.
Yay.
Yay. Yeah, we'll look forward to our adventures, and hopefully you guys have a wonderful weekend. Alright, what's going on, guys? Got Destined Rivals here with Beth, my baby. So yeah, we just spent the day on the ocean. Where did we go? Ocean Beach. Yeah, we're about to go out on the town, so I'm gonna open it. I'm not bringing this whole thing out. We're gonna bring a couple packs with us, and wherever we go, we're gonna open. See, I do the eyebrow thing again. Wherever we go, we're gonna open up some packs and see if we got any hits. So Beth's gonna carry all the good stuff. So I'm just telling her now.
Thanks. I'm in charge of it.
Yeah, you're in charge of it all.
Pressure.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just like we'll just bring like 4 packs.
Okay.
And yeah.
See what happens.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah.
Love you.
All right, guys, here we go.
Wish us luck.
I'm not gonna do this shopping. Oh yeah, that's strong. That was strong. Alright, here we go. That's what I pull the hobbits. Cool. A little vibe.
This is the one.
So what do you got?
It's a Destined Rivals.
Ooh, Cynthia and Garchomp. Shout out Garchomp. Favorite vendor.
I don't need to do. No.
Nah, just got straight into it. Come
Ready?
on. Yeah, you got Magica.
Oh shoot. I don't do this enough.
Give me the back. I want the back.
Thank you. Do you want to go this way?
Thank you. Okay. Private. I think that's reverse. Nothing there. Oh, boo.
Hydra Apple.
Hydra Apple.
Sorry.
Mewtwo. We had a wonderful night of just dancing. It was great. We are down in downtown San Diego. This is gonna be a hit right here. So we have, I don't know what that is. Rhymer.
That's you.
That is me. Oh,
Hello.
Houndour. The abomination. Easing. One tournament for this. Verse. And
Judge.
freaking Judge. And ooh, an EX at least. Y'all Mega EX.
Hey. We're in the scary elevator.
We're in a hotel.
Look at this phone.
Somebody used it.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Just us?
This is us. Reverse. Boo! Why can't we pull anything? Padres game.
Woo!
Alright, we just won. Just won the game. Let's see what we get.
Padres win.
I'm ready to do voiceover on it.
I feel like I can't even talk. It's gonna be it.
Yeah,
That's it.
that'd be crazy.
Gotta pull something out of this. Such a hard-earned
Yeah,
money on
because it's
it.
just been EXs. Oh, there you go.
This way?
Yeah. Not over the key. Comes the reverse, I think. Oh, yeah. One more. Okay, just landing. Here comes the special area. And still. Annihilate.
Wow. How'd I get one action?
On the sea. Steve is both. Signaling. And plays again. Another no-go. As of yet. I think it's just waves. Oh, where's Leggy? Boom! Another pack opening. Here, Gloria, San Diego. Ready for this?
Ready.
We got our Destined drivers. Yeah. Starting. I guess. Scrappy, Great Ball, Orvito.
No.
That does. Regular. Okay. Another fail. Skies. The guy said no. Box back. Alright. Ready for this. Before you go. Coffee. Butter. Oh, let's skip one.
Oh no. Is it good? Is it good? What is it?
Say it.
Hey!
That's it. That's all we get.
Woo!